Good day, ma'am. We are Group 14. I am Cadet Brioso together with Cadet Balambao and Cadet Nagyo. Our topic is about registration, licensing, and accreditation of LGU and NGO managed centers to be discussed by Cadet Balambao, aftercare support services to be discussed by me, and the confidentiality and privacy to be discussed by Cadet Nagyo.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cadet Balambao, the first reporter of Group 14, and our topic is about registration, licensing, and accreditation of LGU and non-government management centers. In case of youth center management by LGU and non-government organization, the rules on registration, licensing, and accreditation of youth detention homes under Rule 76 Paragraph E, F, G. Rule 76 Paragraph E is about operation and standards. The DSWD, through its standards, Bureau shall, in consultation with concerned agency, develop, review, and enhance the standards for youth homes to ensure efficiency, effectiveness, and accountability in the delivery of quality programs and service for children in conflict with the law who are detained penalty trial. Kani siya nasa Rule 76 ang nakasabot ani in short is mo ni siya ang effectivity and efficiency sa mga juvenile nga sala sa balaod sa atong country, sa atong Philippines, pero dili sila ibutang sa selda, sa jail, ibutang sila sa dito sa DSWD in order to marehab sila, mapag-o or tagaan baka sila sa educational na para makapadayon sila og eskwela, and tagaan po sila og skills para dili na sila otro mo commit og crime kay wala kabalo basig tungod sa poverty mo daw na buhat nila. Then ang sunod, Rule 76F Paragraph F, registration, licensing, and accreditation of youth homes. No youth home shall operate without a valid registration. So dapat ang youth home sa isa ka dapat na siya lisensya kay dili siya pwede mag-operate, and certificate from the SWD, except for the youth homes managed by LGU, which shall be exempted from registration and licensing. So kanang mga non-government organization exempted na siya sa licensing, pero dapat registered siya kay mutabang mangyap ng government kung magkaproblema ang NGO. Rule 76 Paragraph G, when and where to apply for accreditation. LGU, private and NGO managed youth homes establish and operate without registration and license certificates prior to the effectivity of the act shall apply for such within 3 months upon effectivity of the those that
Aftercare support services. Aftercare support services are services given to children in conflict with the law whose cases has been dismissed by the proper court because of good behavior per recommendation of the DSWD, social worker, the LGU, and or any accredited NGO youth rehabilitation center. Now, aftercare support services daw ko is mo iyatag ni siya sa bata nga katong mga bata nga ang mga cases has been dismissed by the proper court because of their good behavior o sa matag recommendation sa DSWD social worker, sa local government unit o sa mga NGO rehabilitation center. Ang aftercare support services ihatag siya pagkahuman sa termination of diversion program. Aftercare support services for the children in conflict with the law shall be given for a period at least 6 months. Ihatag siya for at least 6 months. Aftercare support services include counseling. What is counseling? To give legal counsel to the child, but dili ra pod sa bata, apil na pod sa iyang ginikanan or sa iyang guardians. O include pod ang aftercare support services o other community-based services designed to facilitate social reintegration and prevent reoffending and make the productive members of the community. Usa sa mga tumong sa aftercare support services para ma-prevent pag-reoffend ang usa ka bata para di maglikay na siya paglikay og violation sa law, paglikay na og pag-commit sa crime, ug mahimo ang bata productive nga member sa usa ka community. So these services may include but should not be limited to seminar, workshops, life skills development, sports clinics activities, skill and livelihood programs. Ang mga aftercare support services may include but dili po siya limitado sa mga seminar, workshops, mga life skills development like sa TESDA, mga sports clinic activities i-engage po ng bata sa mga sports clinic activities like sa mga basketball, volleyball or any kinds of sports activities, mga skill and livelihood programs para for future employment sa usa ka bata para ang bata is matuduan siya og mga life skills o makaangkon ang usa ka bata og positive lifestyle o katagan pod siya og mga preventive programs. The aftercare support services under this rule shall be provided by the LSWDO. So ang aftercare support services is dapat provided siya sa LSWDO. The development of these services shall comply with the criteria set by the Juvenile Justice Welfare Council as provided in this act and these rules. Ang mga development sa dani nga mga serbisyo is dapat i-comply siya sa criteria nga gihimo sa Juvenile Justice Welfare Council as provided dani nga act of these rules. The aftercare support services shall engage the active participation of the child and his her parents or guardians. Aftercare support services is dapat i-engage niya ang active participation sa bata, dili lang kay sa bata, apil na iyang parents or guardians. Licensed and accredited NGOs may be mobilized by the LSWDO in the provision of aftercare support services. Ang mga licensed and accredited NGOs mao ipa-mobilize sa LSWDO para maghatag og provision of aftercare support services para sa mga bata.
the civil liability imposed in the criminal action. So, yung the civil liability, ma-impose ang usa ka bata sa criminal action. So, ito sa naalitan, the rules of the medical examination of the child in conflict with the law taken before or during the trial shall be kept confidentially closely unless otherwise ordered by the family court. So, kung sa medical record sa kabata is confidentially na-keep siya. Isa piniba, kita-kita. In case lang kung i-order sa pamilya na dapat tanaw na dapat makita ang medical record sa bata. Dalita, disclosure of confidential record may only be done upon order the court. The record of the child in conflict the law may only be disclosed to person especially memorable in the order of court committing the diligin mo kasi basta disclose sa kaso sa bata o dilikuan sa court. So natay ko na ni to take this confidentially of society including the law shall undertake all measurement to protect the confidentiality of society. So naman siya na natay ko na paani disclose to person especially memorable in the order of court committing the disclosure. So diligin mo kasi basta disclose sa kaso sa bata o dilikuan sa court. So natay ko na ni take this confidentially of society including the law shall undertake all measurement to protect the confidentiality of society. So naman siya na natay ko ni Bukani if nataman the use of the system of coding that provide allies for the children taken into custody. So kung sa kabata if natakpan siya na nakakumit siya crime is gamit sila na iligid ang pangalan sa bata ilang gamiton. Okay, para mapuntahan ang identity sa bata. So letter B, maintenance of the separate logbook and separate police blotter for the children in conflict. So separate gid ang police blotter sa kabata o ilang logbook. So exclusive of exclusive of the public particular area from the area where the child is being held in custody. So sa kabata is hindi siya dapat makakuha sa media. Makakuha sa hindi siya pinimakuhaan if nakakumit sa crime kay makakuha sa media ay ma-picturean o makakuha siya sa media is makalat yung information kung mas makakuha sa media kaya tanat sa mga TV na example ang ilang naong is dili klaro tas ang mga pangalan is nagnair ang ginatawag sa ila dili ito lang information kung information nila keeping the result of medical examination confidentially. So ang result sa usa ka bata sa iyang examination is medical examination is confidentially. So dili siya basta-basta makita nato, dili basta-basta pangayo in case lang kung para sa aming pinina na order sa pamilya na dapat makita. So nakalas parking of the records of the child and medical report for the initial investigation as confidential undertake measurement responsible under. So gina-record din ang report sa usa ka child sa iyang document of usa ka crime. Yang investigation din is confidentially. So gina-investigahan gid kung sa ba ang cause sa bata ang nag-commit sa crime kung naa ba tong diversion or intervention. So if ang usa ka bata nag-commit sa crime tungod kay na siya influence sa iyang ginikana o sa palibot o surround sa iya o yung mga silingan mo. So ato siya matawag kung through diversion ay intervention. So kung usa sa kabata is discernment niya na commit o crime o gustuhan niya is kabalo siya na sa iyo na tuwa iya pang commit sa ato siya matawag kung diversion. So out. Thank you.